Why is my AOL Mail not syncing, and what can I do to fix it?
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a common issue that some of you may have encountered, your AOL Mail not syncing. This could be due to a number of factors like network connectivity issues, incorrect account settings, or problems with the AOL Mail server. But don't worry, we'll guide you through some simple steps to identify and fix this issue.
Is your internet connection working properly?
The first thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection could be the reason why your AOL Mail is not syncing. 1. Try loading other websites or use another online service to check your internet connection. 2. If it's not working, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance.
Are your account settings correct?
If your internet connection is not the issue, the next step is to check your account settings. Incorrect account settings can prevent your AOL Mail from syncing. For AOL Mail, use the following settings: incoming mail server, imap.aol.com, incoming port, 993, outgoing mail server, smtp.aol.com, outgoing port, 465. Please make sure you've entered these settings correctly. If you've recently changed your AOL password, ensure you've updated it in your mail client as well.
Is there a problem with the AOL Mail server?
If the settings are correct and your internet is functioning well, there might be a problem with the AOL Mail server itself. Sometimes, the server might be down or under maintenance, causing sync issues. You can check the status of AOL services on various online platforms that provide real-time problem reports for different networks. Just search AOL server status on your search engine.
Have you updated your app or device?
Outdated apps or devices can also cause syncing problems. Ensure your mail app and device's operating system are updated to their latest versions. In conclusion, if your AOL Mail is not syncing, check your internet connection, verify your account settings, investigate the AOL server status, and ensure your app and device are up to date. We hope you find these tips helpful and that they get your AOL Mail syncing again. If the problem persists, contacting AOL support might be the best next step. Thanks for watching and have a great day.